the important thing is you can the vilification of the dead who have nobody to defend themselves. Nobody. And you can today say anything. Nandini, you know Sushant.
It's horrible.
You know, Smita knows Sushant. You have known, both of you have known him closely, worked with him. You know Sushant. The man is not there. And someone who left him before his death and who's being investigated in the murder case is saying he was a drug addict, his sisters were terrible, his father is terrible, he was mentally sick, he was bipolar, he was having a medicine which you ask the psychiatrist he was never having. Or why are you doing all this? So question would be, Smita, why is she so desperate? Nandini, why is she so desperate to spread lies to defend herself? Why is she so desperate to spread lies to defend herself?
First, she started with the depression story, then she came on the bipolar issues. Now she's got something new that he was claustrophobic. I don't know why on earth is she doing it, because she's trying to hide something. She's the culprit. It's quite evident. She's a part of the gang.
Change anything.
No, what part of the gang? What part of the gang? One second. Nandini, please speak up. What do you mean part of the gang?
These entire guys, when you see the Siddharth Pathani, all these guys are so fishy. We all be watching television. Neeraj, why are these, Dipesh, why are there conversations between Dipesh and Riya regarding drugs? And why was this question not asked on the national television?
Not once.
If she was doing an interview should have been, it should have not been partial. It should not have been one-sided. I am challenging her. Please come on Republic and talk to us. We will expose you.
She contradicts herself every time. When she spoke to me last time, she was supposed to expose Karan Johar and Aditya Chopra. And there were no mentions of these two people. And she very conveniently mentioned today about Rohini Iyer and Sanjana Sanghi. Maybe because she's thinking of her future in the film industry.
When did she last speak to you?
She had called me yesterday.
She called you yesterday?
And, she called me yesterday.
Riya called you yesterday?
She called me yesterday.
Why did she call you?
She wanted me.
In fact, she told the nepotism.
Listen, now, this is she's revealing something.
She said that Sushant was denied
She's
awards.
revealing something. What did she say?
In fact, she supported the murder theory. I don't know, again, now should it be? She was very diplomatic about the entire
She supported the murder theory when she spoke to you.
Yes, absolutely. And she said,
and she went on TV and talked about the suicide theory.
Exactly.
No, 1 minute.
Also,
1 minute. Smita, hold on. Hold on. Shoaib, stop it. Shoaib, she's saying something. Shoaib, you've got to keep quiet.
Do you have audio recording?
Yes.
Riya Chakrabarti called you yesterday and you have a recording of the conversation. Yes or no?
Yes.
And in the recording, she says to you that she believes the murder theory.
Absolutely.
Can you be a little more detailed? What did she say about the murder? Because then she tells you that yesterday. What time was the phone call?
Actually, I was asleep till late. So when I saw my phone, it was already 11:30 in the morning. By then, I have already 5-6 missed call from an unknown number.
Yeah.
So I called back. My normal routine is I call back and I asked, and she said, it's me and I need to speak to you because you're the only one who's speaking the truth. And because I spoke about Rajiv Masan and Rohini Iyer in one of my interview, and which I knew that yes, Sushant was troubled by these two people, which is a true thing. And if Nilotpal ji is on this panel, I'm sure we should file a case against these two people because they have definitely harassed Sushant during last a year or so. So yeah, so she had shared some screenshots also how Sushant had sent those screenshots of the blind articles and they were really harassing him mentally. But then I told her that why are you still talking about this suicide thing? Because I still met him on few occasions, but you were the life of Sushant for a year. You should have known. How come you are saying it is a suicide? She said, no, now even I believe that it's not a suicide and I want justice for him. But I'm already, very busy with my own fight, to get out of it. So I told her that there are certain allegations on you which are right. If you can only get out of those, then only you will be able to fight. But you should at least ask for justice, CBI, and all the proper investigation for Sushant, which he said, yes, I will do it and I want this. And I definitely suspect there is a foul play because she was not allowed to see the social media as per her account, from her lawyer's instructions. So she doesn't know all the goof ups.
And she told you that she believes he could have been murdered.
Arnab, this is explosive.
Yes.
You have a recording
Yes.
of
This
this.
is absolutely
At what
explosive.
time was the phone call?
Arnab, this should be given to CBI.
Yes,
Arnab,
I
this
think
should
so.
be given to CBI. Tell
Yes,
her
yes.
to give it to
11:30
CBI. Arnab, you take this.
11?
11:30 about in the morning.
Okay, so what you're saying is that she told you she believes it's murder, and then the same person coolly goes on an interview with a friendly channel and pushes the whole depression, bipolar, suicide theory. This has to be a very calculating mind.
This is very upsetting for me.
This is very
upsetting for me.
This
How
is
you have to
no, it's giving you goosebumps. If somebody has told you in a phone call that she believes it is murder,
She was following a script.
then then Shweta, she coolly goes on an interview and coolly pushes the suicide theory. This is a very
That only
calculating,
shows that she was
cold-minded
following a
individual.
script which was given to her.
And also maligning him that he was taking marijuana. I mean, why are you even talking about it if you really love him? In case one person, I'm saying if he did.
No, but I'm
then
interested in
sure
the
you will
turn.
also do
No,
it.
I'm interested, Smita, in the twist.
Yeah.
Shocking,
Yeah, she
shocking,
definitely-
shocking.
Play the recording.
Yeah, stop challenging her. If she says she's got a recording, she's got a recording.
I will give it to CBI. Don't worry. If needed, I'll give
play
it to
the
them.
recording, and you are not a CBI. That she will play a recording for you.
Arnab, this is explosive.
Any other
Shouldn't you be interested? Shouldn't you be interested?
Yes, I am
Shouldn't you
interested.
be interested?
Don't play a detective.
This is the
here.
most important breaking news.
Yes, I
Shouldn't you
am.
be
Don't play
interested?
detective here.
Yes, I am
There
interested.
is a recording.
Yeah, of course I'm
Shouldn't you be
interested.
playing it out
This
for the
news
sake of
itself
audience?
is huge.